I'm a shuttle driver from the Westin Kierland Resort. I sit in a driver's seat 8 hours a day and drive around, and I developed some lower back pain, which is a very bad burning sensation that went all the way down one of my legs. And I had gone to several chiropractors that didn't have any results. The pain never went away. And a friend of mine suggested I go see Dr. Heimlich. I came in, we consulted, and he recommended that I do a decompression table, which to my amazement, after one treatment, when I got off the table, most of the pain was gone. And in fact, I was so enthused about it that I tried to come back the next day, but there's a program that you're on that you don't do multiple days in a row. But I'm here, and I just had it done again, and I'm extremely happy with the results. And I would suggest anybody that has a pain, and if Dr. Heimlich determines that decompression is the answer, it's very beneficial. I'm glad I did it, and I'm on, and I will continue using the treatment.
And Bob, tell me, is it worth the investment in your health?
Definitely. Being pain-free, getting in and out of a car, getting in and out of bed, standing up without having to use my arms to make myself stand up. The pain being gone is definitely worth it.